I no share girl, my friend, when we left. I don't want to see no boy with that. He better go far. Tell me, I tell you. I say, I run woman joke. But when I say still, you tell me say you want money. So money you go get, you see it. But one thing do, I make sure so I get a bag of loving for that, you know.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Yo, Tundeh, I pray.
Like something sweet, man, I made.
Yeah, man, I pray, bro.
No, I'm pretty nothing, dog. At the end of the day, I wonder what going up there, so. So, dog, how long you know a girl, eh?
About 3 months now.
3 months.
Yeah, bro.
You must like she hug up your dog. Me not like that.
No, bro. You know me not do that. Don't worry about that. I true, me and her cousin, there we are linked.
Oh.
And true, she know me take care of her cousin.
Yeah.
She rate me, so she has show me love and respect.
You can't believe in her as a friend in a dog.
Yeah, bro. You know me not like to do
Yeah,
that.
man, true. Boss, you know, feel saying can pay man no chum change it a weekend, you know. So man, they a work hard. Yo, Kojo, bad man and ready for concrete.
Yeah, I see the color, man. You chat too much.
Chat too much? You wait till all Friday come. You see me one day I work. When boss is gone, you hitch up over this up on phone and I come tell man, but man chat too much. Wait till Friday, I'll feel up here, take with that. Tell me, I tell her that.
So you say you continue to come my man work late every day, my youth.
You go on like your boss on the side, my youth. You chat too much, my youth. If a boss in and ask me that and you come and ask me that.
You can't go on, man. Continue, man. Continue with where you go.
Yeah, call man, boy, man, just come and walk and look where the barrow is far. I say you load the barrow from my youth.
Then grab the barrel and stop talking, man. Are you late, you know?
Yeah,
You go on like say me late. Are you late, you know, my
The way
youth?
over this one, I'm late, you know, start nothing.
Yo, don't come in an argument with me. Just hurry up to do it, my youth.
You talk to company, work for talking every day, you have a different story, you know.
You know, have to complain, boys, you know, because you're bleachers, you know.
Yo, hold on there. Stick up, you know. Me used to go on last night.
Boy, I don't know, say this morning, Mr. Bossy come my brother, well, gringo, my youth. Yo, dog, I feel robbery going on my youth. Man, then gone with some ton of steel in my youth, like, and couple ply well missing, you know, dog.
So what then you use move that?
Why? Between me and you want to know, say, yo, They done on a one party last night and I see like one chuck there move with something. I find it hard, but I chuck no move with things at night, my youth. But I found up this direction and I see like that come from still in my brother. All if you find out that this morning, boss, I make we know a few things they missing in my youth.
So me not tell you already, man. Half ton of steel me have, man, and a couple ply and about 45 bag of cement, you see me? Yeah. Just make sure you can link me later, dog, and do it early, no matter come too late. When I say early, I no mean say if you come in and evening, you know, me G, as it place dark up after about 7 o'clock or about 6 o'clock, we left, you see me? As it touch 7 o'clock, you forward. Alright. Yeah, man. I say I heard. Chop. Hello, B. Hi, meds. Then me there give a shout. Me not too long I left off I work, you see me? But when I say still here, tell me say you want money. So money you go get, you see it. But one thing do, I make sure say me get a bag of loving for that, you know. You know, money no easy if you come by in a dem time, you know, be, you see me? A man have to work hard in his son and sitting, you see me? So anytime I sort out you, just know say you deal with me good, you see me? Same so if you go, man. But watch you know. You know, so me go link to my workers, you know, so when me reach in, me shout, you see me? No, man, me not take long, man. When me reach in, me give you back a shout. Alright, now say I heard, little bit. Workers. me get workers from. Oh, this a man a joke, you know. Yo, me G. How long you make me there so wait for you, my youth? Me tell you if you can link me 7 o'clock and at 10 o'clock, you know, my youth. I want me to your youth. Might if you forward, my youth, and do it fast. They have man turn up out there, so my youth, do it fast, youth. My youth, all police jeep, I make just pass me on the front, youth. I want me to your my youth, do what you do and forward, youth. Do what you do quick, youth, because if you never make your boss all pass, so and glimpse me, youth, I give you one, give me, youth. You just do what you do and forward, you hear me there? Alright.
Brother, true, you don't even know. Brother, I'm not pay for nothing, you know, my youth. Tell more, tell her that you know, I'm not pay for nothing out of my pay, you know.
This going up on the side.
You, true, you don't even know, brother.
And they really broke down bossy place.
Youth,
boy, them a boy, I'm saying the day I catch one of them on the man's site, youth.
Brother, I don't know why man they don't want to go work, my youth. Man they don't want to work for them one, my youth. And people things them want, my youth. And then things are right.
Sir bossy, they come see in car out here, so.
When I'm impressed, them crime gone on a station, my youth gone lay one complain, brother. Honestly, bossy, come here, gringo this man, you know, my youth. And right now, I feel a weight to all myself, you know, youth, because honestly, I'm not pay for nothing, you know, youth. Tell me,
wait, what you mean say you not pay for nothing? Nobody not tell you if you pay for nothing, you not take nothing, you sound some my youth.
Bossy, I move like him a pre man under Sykes youth. I tell man one try tell her that youth. You know, understand what me I try show you, you know, brother.
So from bossy I pray, your bossy I pray me then too.
Then no must my youth. Use your head, no man. Use your head, no man.
Me nah do nothing, you know, so bossy can't meds me. None at all. This me I do.
Watch out now, watch out now. Watch out now, watch out now. Me nah move with so much stone, you know. Hey. Easy down pan the stone, me nah move
go on with that and come back. Yeah, that go on and come back. Wow, I think you meds me. What me come here for what? Me come here for peace. Watch out now. I want to show you a pre.
What that?
No, say me I consider those say. Boss, you have to go make me go and run off the place, you know. Sleep on the site and go over the thing them and know so nobody can come take me nothing at night time, you see me?
No sir, real talk
yeah,
that
man, I tell them man, if you do security work at them place, I run off the whole place, no joke.
You can catch one of them boy, them
any day, me hold one of them, me I tell them.
Man.
Nothing no man. Any day I know. You tell bossy come, you talk to bossy.
Yeah man, do that man,
yeah,
do that man.
You talk to bossy.
Yeah, man. Yes, girl. Come here, come on, this for me there.
That's a boss here there.
Hold on, make that turn first. Oh, go on now.
That's a boss here there.
Yeah, man, I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to report the matter.
I know see you there, boss.
Yeah, man, I be things are going.
Yes, I go, boss. I can't believe, boss.
Be things are going, man.
I like come here, you know.
Man, never say that.
Boy, police, I say, boy, if me never see nobody, I can't blame nobody. You understand?
I have a pretty show you, bossy.
Hold on. So, them say, them a come here,
Yeah.
but the patrol vehicle must have gone somewhere else or whatever, you know. Can't bother with them, can't bother with them, brother. But anyway, what me I go do, I go make sure say me do what me fi do. You understand?
So
Me can't afford to lose this society now because see the other day me lose and my vista better.
Yeah,
A 14 house me I do down there. And see the smarty thief 400,000 from me. And a smarty round me, you know. Then nobody else can take that money from me.
I
You
say,
know?
bossy, when you give me work, I watch the place for you, I sleep here. And watch security place, I catch one of the boy them because I want to know how to do it, you know.
Yeah, man, I read that, man.
What you mean you can't have your things, them, so your things are missing every day, say every day, steel gone, ply gone.
And I can't afford to lose this a contractor right now.
And we don't know my work if you lose this.
Anyway, what load up your board on us already?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you
Man,
put on
load up already.
much stone you put on?
25, this will make 26.
26. Much sand you put on?
20.
20.
Yeah. This is stone is supposed to be alright.
Alright, yeah man. So you know, I go down here because that's what material I'm to order and things, you know?
Well, on the boss, I want to show you one pre before you go. You see me, but I want to show you a pre. Come over here, son, man.
Where's that man? Talk to me, man, because I have to move, man.
I want to show you a pre, I tell you, my boss, I just a while ago, sit me come to me, you see me? Remember where the man, they move with the money, man, they have Vista Bella.
Yeah.
Me and this man, and they dep on the work, you know. And this man, I left early, see him there and gone, and I see him evening, he call me and say, if me take up bag. I don't trust this man, and I tell him, you see it, my boss? I don't trust a youth, and I feel say him and do it. But watch him, you just believe in me and make me run off the place for you. You see me? Just believe in me, man, and when you come here, you make me know.
Yes, sir. You're asleep, sir.
What you mean? I tell him I sleep and run off the place, but when you come here, just make me know, because boy, they make you feel it, and I don't want you feel if you none of them, you know. Because you make me know
what that mean? What that mean? What that supposed to mean?
Make me know when you come in, because I don't want you come in at night and I don't know, say, you make shade sharp, you know.
You're not easy, man.
Just make me know when just believe.
So you got machete and all them things over?
I mean, more mash up on that boy. You say, for this boy, I mean, no mercy for him. If the next man, maybe a little bit of mercy. But if for him, no mercy.
Alright, so starting from this evening.
Right now we start. No, we start.
You're going to stay over here?
Me there all night and
alright, so you want to know, make sure I can some food come give you.
Alright.
About 7 o'clock later.
Yeah, man, just.
So that work that for you?
I nah make a youth, you know, say me go there and, but I feel me work. I hold him, man, if I him.
Alright, so you know say, alright, what you have to do? Yeah. I'm not too trusting me there.
Yeah, tell him, man, when the money miss me go early, man, left. Early when me lucky gate, you know, did you know?
We think about that too.
Alright,
but I go down and stand come, okay?
that's nothing, man, just big up yourself, yeah? Alright. Yes, you ready? Boy, to his son, to look like a right over me there, so his son, them. I don't care what boss you want to say. I have to hold a 5. Don't know him in this.
Brother, you're wicked to yourself, man. You look at what you have, man. Just like me dog come a work, brother. Things we are right, you hear me about son at my youth.
You can't tell man fi just like you, dog. How you fi tell a man fi just like you? So you want a man be like you?
No, brother, me
why
not
fi
tell you
that?
that,
Why
brother,
fi
me
that,
not tell you
me
that,
not just like man, me G.
Nah, tell you that.
So me love eat. And the girl they love happiness too.
Yeah, that you say.
That me say.
Yo, to offer your name I get called a streets right now, no my youth. Yeah, girl clone no come here, see you buy TV, the girl you know, and next man I watch that you know, cock up in a bed, you know, youth. I want to man, you come here, so come talk about.
Yo, me tell you this, me no buy no TV gi no girl, me never buy a TV gi a girl. Yet a one TV me buy from me born till no one I want up on me yard. But wait, how you hear them argument here?
That man have a secret a road, my youth.
See me secret?
Man. Anyway, I channel me, I go boss a piece, me so far.
No man, nah me secret, me go KFC now for me secret.
That you tell yourself. That you tell yourself, man, I ride your girl. Go away.
You idiot man, you a fool, you ain't the idea you get what you forget. Remember me tell you. Now show you say I'm me run this society out damn bright, you know what? I set up a boy you must see the pan site with me. Set up a boy, man, a boy you feel like today.
You come and talk about me and man there, your yard, I watch a TV with your girl. That you need to worry about.
No boy can't do for me that watch my TV. That's how I'm sure about. What you talk about, go and watch, man. You soon get watch. Go and watch. All you know do is watch, man, and everybody business. No people know their business.
But I want to man, I make you come and go. You sound like you burn yourself. You burn your fit true.
No know people business too much, man. No know people business.
I don't know people business, brother. If man never got your yard, brother, man can't come and work on top, brother.
No man can't go on my yard, you.
So me ask you a question. You there so with me right now. You know what your girl do?
Oh, you mean me know what my girl do? Man, me tell you this. Me have a brand new chromas up on my yard right now. That the girl where you want to talk about. And that the girl no link again, my friend. Me tell you that straight.
So you think at my friend, channel man side?
I tell you dog, brand new chromas dog. Clean like a whistle.
Oh.
Tell me, I tell you. You want steam?
So yo, me ask you a question.
You're free, man.
Yeah, man. Mom's round the yard. Can't get a one get in.
One what? Get in.
I talk to man, talk.
No run then joke there with my brother. Girls are jugs, my friend. Me no share girl, my friend, when we left. Me no want to see no boy with that. He better go far. Tell me, I tell you. You say me run woman joke.
But brother, you can't live so, brother. What kind of life you live, brother?
So me want to live, brother. Me want to live, so me choose the life where me want to live. So me want to live. This fit me. Tell me, I tell you. This fit me, my friend.
Brother, a joke me I make with the brother, you know.
Joke.
Brother, a joke me I make, brother. If you can't take joke, brother, no come and say come work, brother. What kind of man this man?
No run woman joke with me, brother, but me be set up upon me woman. I will make them and my woman them see me and my friend.
I look a joke you go on so over my youth.
Me no run joke, you know what? Me no make take of you, me no get my rest too, you know. I can hold my rest.
Joke him and I go on so over to
Me no run joke, different topic, my friend. I get talk about something different. Watch out, if bossy come here too. Bossy!
Yo. Oh, just tell man since a 5 year old.
Yeah.
My youth I want
You can't cut over that. We have to rest in there. I think bossy no son of care. Bossy come out there, you know. Tell me, I tell you.
But I'm not understand you, man just have to understand that from morning with the eye with my youth.
So I deal with my boss.
So wait there. Have you vacation on the pan or I work on it?
I work with them man, but his son not so they go on well a 5 because some they are going bad.
His son not, but me have to still up and down.
We are going to start it right now.
Me mind out Babba Tundeh. You work with me all long. See?
True.
Me know what you lead this man and straight Babba Tundeh.
No man, you know so long me I tell him to make it start to work and I say his son not.
No, but he must say his son not. And you work for him. And you I see the man who work with me pa. Listen what I say now. More this a board more to load up the board because you see the man them work fast, you know.
Alright.
See? By a man in more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them link tell you can't sound. You see the man them work fast.
Alright, we
So
are
I want to put on the shoulder to the wheel, man.
I'll do it right now.
See?
I want to say something to you still in the boss.
Want to say something to me? Or something you can't talk in the public or?
Talk ya some man, talk ya some man.
1 minute, man.
Alright, contact me, contact.
Like when man we go talk, you know.
Man, humble yourself, man. I want to hear, man. Humble yourself, man. Bossy, watch you now.
Actually, go inform them man. Nah, while man, that's what you go happen to you. You go soon cook man by today you have to leave you.
Between me and you still, you know, if I'm man in with there, brother, I'm going to talk to that man. That man I move away. And honestly, feel like said, brother, I have something to do with what going on last night, you know. But I don't want you to make it too obvious, you see me?
What make you say that, bro? Give me a reason why you say that.
Right, read this now, no? Any right it man in today's society, right? Yeah, yes, a man place get robbed. See, him evaluate upon your care me come as early man time, him evaluate, ever boss him tired.
Yeah.
Only when you watch place at night time, brother, you not sleep, brother.
Okay.
Man, watch your place, brother, man, know your place come down and you wait for last night when party I keep up your road, nobody can hear no noise, then you say when I break in your place, father.
Alright, this one I said now. But I really cast no judgment for no one. But anybody me catch over here, see?
Yeah, man.
I move
yeah, man.
nothing. Full judgment.
Yeah, man, we can work with that, man. We can do that.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
See? So, just do what you have to do. Just do your work. Right?
Yeah, so.
As I said, just do your work and you'll get up here.
And another thing
See?
about your lunch. Your lunch, we're going to lunch. You're not talking about that for man.
No, but look here, I'm not casting day today now. Remember, I pay you one day, so you're supposed to have your money. You understand? No young boy, I don't want to, you know.
No, but boss, watch
So you don't have the money to that.
No, but watch out now.
Me no respond-
Me have
listen-
one youth at the with one side.
Listen me. Me not responsible for your lunch today. All you're not casting day, me buy everybody lunch. So tomorrow business. See, sir?
So tomorrow I'm go up there.
Yes, sir. See?
Nothing wrong with that then.
You know something I know. I'm going to watch me,
here,
I watch me, I look for me. I want to whole watch.
Your watch.
You come like one piece of salt, it's a take me. Me lose so much money in that day.
Boss, me talk to you and I bag a woman them where you constantly are deal with dinner. That's why
man,
I'm
so that man. My lifestyle, my lifestyle, yeah? So your lifestyle focus on that, see?
That a true still in a
Yeah,
boss. You have boss, you have the money, you know, so.
So, I go check back down at the hard way for down there, I left my watch charge. Because I sure I have it in my pocket.
Yeah, man, do that, man, I get back, man.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah, how are you over here? So, sit down and there, say now. Where you there, say now?
How we a jaw where bossy go tell bossy say?
Brother, lunch money, me there defend, brother, I want to you, man.
He two away.
Then, I must.
Oh, you just attack.
But no, did he?
Then I get none. And you build up my hopes and drop it back. Straight to dirt, you.
But brother, me no see you go up there so earlier. You could have talked to him and the same way, you know.
A businessman, the man a talk about you.
Watch you know. Right now, too, me see coming like boss see that go, you know.
Why me go say that?
You know, say man, I show me a prayer while ago, brother, so much him losing, watch dog.
Since he come here, so?
Yeah, it might
So, bossy, yo, me get to this, because I know bossy feel say I'm there. Bossy, come here. Come here, the bossy.
Over here, so over.
1 second, come here.
Honestly, me feel like I bag a woman thing business still, you know.
No, man, I have to get down. Too much now lose on this society. This society, no, man. Too much loses. I don't want there, so. If I say go, me left. Come here, bossy. Come here there, 1 second there. Come here, bossy, come here. 1 second, come here.
Look here. So you are asking for lunch money?
Let's watch. When you lose.
I don't know how make a man a move like say yo.
So bossy, let me say I go and you say you lose all or what since you come here this morning on the site?
Well, to be truthful, I'm not sure if I'm on the site. But I know I take up from my yard this morning. I don't know.
Right now, too much loses are going in and I don't like what going in right now. If I say it, I go and I have to go left you say. By the way, I never left you say, you know, so man must sit there, so, you know. So man feel lift up from you, so too, you know. How
Sharp about them. Alright, you are going. I saw on the other part. Yes, sir. We can't get on that board, man. We can't get on them board. I use them on the side. Hey, where is it going now?
Center line rubber drop out of the truck.
We are keep a meeting here, man. See? Yeah, where is it going now?
say some man feel lift up off his site, me I tell you, I don't want to work with some man because so much things are missing from some man start work here, you know.
Some man come talk so. Some man come talk against man program. So I was some boy here.
Oh, look at the man, hey. I don't want no man go like them and blame a man in this thing.
Boss, a man talk like Sammy come talk about no boss.
No,
like that
man,
thing.
in car, he never call no fall.
But I mean, him alone there, boss. How can I style that, boss?
Listen to me, man.
Call a name, brother.
Listen to
You hear me call for your name?
Alright, so listen to me. Me never cast the blame upon a man, general. Right? I never do that. I wanna call no back. I know return I come cuff.
Right now, boss, I'm willing to show you say me no involved in no watch thing, you know, me take out of my pocket, them, you know, take off all my boot. If a man can't do this, means a man guilty, brother.
Some boy come on.
Straight up and me weigh this and me whistle off. Me not know watching
me
on my
not even
pocket.
going there myself.
No
Hold
watch.
this and search yourself. Me not even going there myself for sure. Me not even going there myself for sure. You go in night.
So now give me back.
Go in night, a man. I talk like I'm alone can do it. See them, my bike key, my house key, see there.
Full of key.
Hold on.
So you
Come
want
on,
full
come
of
on,
key?
come on.
Hold on.
So you want full of key?
Hold on,
How you
hold
see
on,
bossy?
hold
How
on,
you see
hold
this so bossy? Seal is seal, father. Seal is seal. From some man come everything and me say bossy watch. This some yo.
Bother with that.
No bother with what? No bother with what? Who they find it?
Hey!
Brother.
No bother with that.
Hold on. Why you do this in your back?
Oi, listen to me.
No, am I watching this?
And listen to me no. Listen to me no.
What you ask, sir?
Free wagwan no.
Talk to me.
You come here this morning.
Yeah.
Where you see me?
Talk to bossy.
Huh?
Where you see me when you come here this morning? No, over there say see me I walk. Look for me and them. No. Wait no.
Hello, hold on. Hey, I know you're a boss.
Brother, you can't help yourself.
Hello.
Me can't help myself.
Brian, hey.
Oh, boss, look for me hand them.
Listen to me.
And look for your what? No, wait no man.
You go like you want to overtalk me, sir. I don't want you know. Listen to what I say, sir. Babba Tundeh,
Yes, boss.
me have to come in here for this.
Yes, boss.
You see your service, me not going to need it anymore. You understand?
Yes,
So
boss.
bossy, you choose thief over me bossy.
No,
You try to
Who they catch it in watch?
Hold on.
Who they catch it?
Look for me hand them. Look for me hand them. If me hand them dirty, my bag clean. When me stay go against my bag bossy, stop and think the bossy and
So you
stop
work
make
from
me
morning, you know what I mean, boy, if your hand
You must
dirty.
see
Look at
your
you work from morning and no most dirty.
So brother, if me over there, sir, my bag clean, brother. Me forgot near my bag and my bag clean.
Now sit near you use and up in your bag. You go like you don't know style.
Listen to what I
Come
say.
to your youth.
Listen to what I say to you now, young man.
Bossy, far away I come from me no bossy.
Yes, but listen to me. What is happening?
You're far to
see.
go bossy.
Am I watching?
You're far to go bossy.
I see. Listen me and listen me, good bossy. Me never take your things, bossy.
So, alright, so you never take it. So
Me never take your things. Me never steal nothing. Me never take nothing, bossy. From morning, I this somebody I work. Zin, you come here this morning, and you see one come to me, come contact me, see your place.
Hey, let's talk it. Listen. Sit down, guys.
Brush off in seat. How much I say you sit down?
You see all you are now.
Father, let me say something to you, youth. You see that watcher? A foreign me get that watcher. Right? Real gold and real diamonds. Right? No, this watch belongs to me. And this watch was found in a your bag. See? Some of the one you know to justify how my watch reads walk, you know. Cause walk me have to say. In a your bag. Me nah go say nobody can pray me or set you up or whatever, you know. Me nah go say.
Nobody not frame me, bossy.
Listen what me I say to you. I'm not cast no blame on none of it. See Babba Tundeh years me and my work. Where you coming?
Years.
I have nothing to move from here. I not expect say Babba Tundeh I go do that or see that my work. But listen to me, youth. Cause honestly, me feel say you do it. But give you one now. Me go give you a chance.
You give me a chance, bossy.
Listen to me, man. You see the evil you know, better you stick to it. Cause sometimes you got to check up some other people on the rest.
If you get
So-
better to bossy.
Yeah, me not say better than that, but this young man, me respect you, me rate you. And everybody deserve a chance. Me I'll give you one chance. Don't make you-
And everybody deserve a chance, bossy.
Yeah, but listen, Babba Tundeh, me attack. Keep out time. Me I'll give you one chance. And you see all the material what I'm missing? Me not gonna say you know. Listen, no, say nothing, man. When me talk, just listen what me say, man. Cause you talk like you want over talk me and all that something. So, it is fair enough for me give you one little chance. Cause, see there? You see next time now? You go down so you know. I'm right down, just sitting down there and signing and you know say to come to you and say. See him, sir? So not do it again, you know. You want now?
Yes, bossy.
I work when you come for work.
Yes, bossy.
I know, chicken when you come to jail.
No, sir, we not do that, boss.
See man them down there, so when you make man all walk through the gate, see that? When you make man come over here a while ago, board a while ago, like a regular thing.
I lock the gate, boss.
Eh? Lock the back gate, man.
Yes, boss.
Pretty
Don't make it, man.
will
Yes, sir.
you love me if I am funny? Will you
Boss, you hold on. I want to say something to you, you know.
me?
What you say to me?
You see me? I tell you, say me not trust a nigga there over this, you know, boss. I don't know.
See,
Me need to feel good in there, you know.
Yeah, man, but listen to me now, man. Nobody happen. I don't find out what I'm going already. See?
Boss, me say me need to trust him, boss. Me need to can take off my water boot and if he careless, he feels like me take it.
Well, I don't know you.
You know what?
It's sad though.
Young youth like that a behave so. You know want them a type of person work for you, boss, and give people bad name.
No, put you over some more. Yeah, alright, left it there, sir. Where's the
People will give you bad name, boss. Bad name, them a people will give you. You know, want them a type of youth for work for you. And you tell bring you down, you know, carry you up.
You want to go now? I'm going to make you stay over here night time.
Yeah, man.
Because,
Ready, man.
look at now. You need to forget about this watch. You see what you do for me a while ago?
I'm glad you get it,
Look
boss.
here, you see what you do for me? My sister, you see what I'm going.
Yeah, man, I really
So, I'm gonna make you-
bossy.
You are Minister of Security now, sir. What me say, sir?
Alright. Alright.
What me say, sir?
Minister of Security, I'm catch a boy over here.
Alright, so you are going. Bye alone.
Alright. Alright, bossy.
Right?
Alright, now say alright.
Alright, so later.
Yeah, man,
So,
now say
so forward
alright.
again.
Now say alright, boss. Hello.
Hey, baby.
There, honey. You know, say me almost reach your gate.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Where you can come?
Yeah, man. You soon see me, forward.
Alright.
Alright, let's say alright. Oh, that's sexy.
Oh, you know, me just go call you back cause
True.
Amazing.
Never that far. Sexy and nice though. Though.
All the time.
God no.
What you say, you know? What you say, I go on?
You make one girl link and so you depend me off your thing, you know.
Oh, so you just a smile, so I walk on.
Yeah, me no must smile and me want 500,000 to give me baby.
Oh,
So, me have in a bag, yeah, man, I see. I'm a tough, what kind of rush they pan, baby girl?
I'm not tell some me up here to do some laundry and stuff. I do everything, you know, and I clean up my place, everything, so,
I understand.
you know.
Everything I feel, man, is me. Well, safe.
I lie.
So, man, I don't lie. Okay, night. Everything I lie.
When me see money, my skin catch a fire, you know.
Thing did the way.
Really?
I know. God, no.
Me not even touch no more. So,
You say I go and I can't come live up a house today, you know.
Lord God, you come down now with all them something there. You can't wait. How you move so fast?
Wait, man, I don't move fast. I say I move slow.
Take your time.
You just tell me, say you go to call me back when I come that I show you say I move slow.
You move too fast, cause you know why? Let me tell you something about me. You see this? This have to do my nails, do my toe, do my ear, and by the phone. So you know, say, this if you drop my,
You say something different there.
you have to go pay for that different. You move too fast. Slow down.
Everything.
Slow down.
Yes, I say you come down. Serious.
As summer come down.
Uh,
Me not like the fasting. Me can't manage it. Can't manage it. So, hold on. Oh, let me ask you a question. So, do you give me 500,000? You feel like you can't come live up on me yard so fast?
no, B, but watch you know. Remember, say this is a constant thing, you know. When me done with your favor money, people go think say a nanny raise you.
Oh.
Tell me, I tell you.
So, I'm going to tell you something now. No disrespect, you know, but you see, if we live up on my place,
I have to pay her, you know.
my place. So, you see now, you say, you're a builder. So, you see up there, so, a family yard. So, you see, if you want me and you live together, you have to go build me a house.
Yeah, build the same place up there, on one day. Yeah, build it somewhere else.
Man, me want a piece of land, you have to go build me a house. Piece of land, then you build me a house, and then me you can live in
Take it
together.
down and have
What you say about
two
that?
little baby down, boy and girl.
Well, anyway, we could talk about that when time we get to the point of building the house. So what you say about the house?
Watch you know, remember say you done have a land you say, you know, so we could have just drop some steel and some block and some sand and stone up here so, and build it here so. The money the way we use buy land can push your house go far.
Oh. Alright, anyway. Me go back up here, go do my laundry and my cleaning now. So here?
Yeah man, so I can walk with the other party.
No. You cannot come up there. No, you cannot come up there. Dog up there, me don't want them to bite you. So you have to stay. You have to just go on.
Yeah, I say need for a hug. Need for a hug and give me.
It's when you carry the next trip of money come. Well, we get a hug and all those things. So, but for now, just stay cool. Yeah? Alright, just go on and go dream about me. Everything alright.
All them girl want man go to prison for one of them, you know. Come on a fair thief hard. Them girl don't even know youth. Watch you go on, man.
Boy, you want to hug up. Go on here, you damn fool.
It's a joke thing, you wait, man. Just wait till man come back round and say, here.
Yeah. Wait then, Nancy. May I get the next call? Wait. Lisa,
Hello.
what's up?
What the hell?
Where say
You
go?
want? You don't know say things up a foot. But bingo, you know.
Your bingo.
Yes. So you can forward security.
Full package.
Full package.
Alright. No sorry. No sorry.
Yes.
You want to tell up there, so. Afraid I dog them, you know.
May I turn up where you can't see me?
So you should have tell up, I don't want to rob you.
Well, it can go both ways, but so where you wipe out your hands? So,
No, no, me hand me a wipe out. I'm a
me
pocket
see
now.
you come from the side, some money make you jump.
Man, give me this.
Wait, not just take time. I want you when it come to money, just take your time. Here.
Where's that?
Half a hit that. You smell it? Half a hit.
Smell like I half real.
You better know.
So, a night now, night a come, so I don't really want dip on the road too late. Or make night come catch me. Cause it ain't near, you know. It soon come.
So, anyway, I go back up yard, go and do what I do. So,
One thing, remember me did tell her say boy kind, not true?
yeah, I tell you.
I have a good heart. Cause the next client me did have, she never want give me what me tell her say I want.
Well, me I give you car. Remember say you fi come up a
More
yard.
customer for you, man.
Remember say you fi come up a yard.
Man, no worry about that. Me I try to say me can find some more customer.
Me I wait too long now, you know. So, you know, come up a yard, come help me clean up and dust down. So,
A night now, so
yeah, take care of yourself.
Yo, man, you make case and make me get my money for steal them, no brother. Remember say a half ton of steel me sell you right now, more my money, brother. Me no do there sit near and plan for wait as me do there sit near and me get money in my hand same time. Now go on like you have more responsibility than man, my youth. For me, woman wear panty too, you know, brother. You think a phone woman alone wear panty? Woman want clothes, my friend. Tell me, I tell her right, I know me appreciate one jive more and buy her end of the year, so me have to go hard. You see, so it's me case me get if it's a food. What? What you say? You say me myself farm and ply. Brother, them they done long time, brother. Quick thing me deal with no itching. Yo, little bit sound like Bossy. Bossy!
Hey man!
Bossy!
Come here man. Jesus. Oh gosh.
How do you know Bossy?
Babba Tundeh.
Yes, Bossy.
Me left here Babba Tundeh. See? Babba Tundeh. Where is cement and Babba Tundeh? Babba Tundeh. Where farm them there? Where capital man them bill?
Why, Bossy?
Where 100 farm them there, Babba Tundeh?
This man wake up, Bossy. Me see say man tear down the place again, Bossy. Can't believe. Right now, more know who I do they sitting here.
Babba Tundeh, but you tell me say, you go watch the place, Babba Tundeh.
I watch the place, Bossy, and the man them hide and I watch me up a one look at 1 9 night me walk go last night. Me need but 5 minutes. But me assure you say one man know when me I left from here so last night and a bolo.
Babba Tundeh.
You say one man know me left from here so last night because me see me out a gate where me a come out and a bolo. When you find you watching a man bag, you should have let go a man, Bossy. Me can't believe you watch, you don't know me feel. Can't believe you.
Hold on there. Yeah, Mr. Brown. Well, Mr. Brown, I'm sorry about that, Mr. Brown, man. All I farm them with it. But Mr. Brown, you have to raise a voice at me, sir. I don't mean, sir. I'm not thief, sir. Everywhere I go, me thief people things. What you mean say me a thief in contractor, Mr. Brown? What you mean say me a thief in contractor? No, talk to me. Me just have some people round me when I'm honest. I just that, Mr. Brown. So now come tell me about say your piece. Mr. Brown, listen to me now, man. Mr. Brown, me have a man here who watch the site, Mr. Brown. Me just talk to a while ago. Then the man say, what me to do? Call police for this man? A long time, Mr. Man, I work with my boss. Me no Billy say me not do me this. The man saying go on 9 night last night, and by the time he saying come back. What you say happen?
By the time I come back at this morning, me really a fight. Mr. Brown, me say up alright up where we keep last night, me walk go and a one man see when me a go up there, you to always recover your name bowl. Man not tap T40 things them all. The boss find him watching a man bag and me I tell the boss let go man find in time there, you know, and give man chance. I man alone see where me a go last night. And this morning me wake up me I see say whole I cement and sitting them gone. Yeah, man.
Mr. Brown, I don't know. I don't know if I sit in a churchyard or something or I sit not. I don't know. Mr. Brown, I not like more to do that part. Yeah, I know some people have a chat say me a thief. And how me broke down the whole of Vista Villa down so but I wouldn't do that. Oh, no, contracting is what I do, you know, sir. So I now go do them or something there. Because I want more work by any idea. So I have to go try to rectify this matter. I have to go look. Right now, it's like it's a loan. I have to go look and have to buy back things, then, boss. So right now, you like me, I work for your work. Free now, boss. Yeah? Mr. Brown? Hello?
Right
Man,
now, bossy.
I'm up on it.
Right
Yo,
now, bossy, I'm glad me all me a try to help you now work bossy. Cause look at man them a broke you down and me there and me say me a secure place and me a see say everything safe and one look move me make bossy man then come over here. Yo bossy, me feel say we get a break for your time. Just get a break man for couple months.
you are here.
The contracting. The couple
Get contracting now, me out them meet.
the couple months bossy, you know see
Because
say
you
still
can't
a
mad
pressure
man.
your bossy.
Look at them,
You
man,
do
Babba
it
Tundeh,
and it
man.
have pressure your same way. You have to go get loan right now. So all your youth them go eat same way when you go spend out your money to go buy back cement and this and that. Get a break, bossy.
So, what to you to come here? Him not come nowhere. So, hold on. So, fuck, say him not come nowhere.
The youth they do everything what go on.
So, why him not come nowhere this morning?
That man guilty, bossy. So me come here first day when the man in just bucky place, me catch him and talk about him not pay back for nothing. So me don't know what I talk about. The man guilty.
Hey, look. Hey, me go down a station, you know.
I report him, bossy. I put a stop to this. Put a stop to this, bossy.
Yo.
So I be a night always a call me. So we touch the road and I mostly be a shopping always what I'm gonna do.
Well, go slow, remember. Remember say online work me do, so me have to depend the phone all day and all them something there, so you know how it go. Then you know, shopping now, you know say I don't want to spoil my brown skin and something. You know what one time I lie down on the bed, you see me a glow and all them something.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Then do that, shine bright like a...
No joke no night. So watch out, what you say you want you know?
Well, want some things in the house and some little things in the house like, you know, my cupboard empty and little bathroom necessary things and some all them something the when time we go down there well.
Alright, come make we go do it then no man, cause you know me do anything for you, you know. No problem for you, you know. I treat talking man, you know me walk on nail for you, no man, I say. Forward
You
now.
go on in there, you think it is.
But B, look over how much week you know we are dealing and you could invite me up your yard even one time.
Alright. Man, I tell us a dog up there.
I'm not afraid of dog B.
Some big pit bull up there. You don't want to go up there.
You can't
You
chain
don't
them
want
up,
to
you
go
can't
up
chain
there.
them
You
up and
don't want to go there.
some can't come up with no time at all.
Well, we will work on that as I tell you. So we'll go and work on that. So everything
Come make it.
Don't worry yourself, man. We don't worry yourself so far.
Don't worry myself up on the side of you.
My hand feel numb.
And feel numb.
Yeah, my hand feel numb.
So if you let go for me and feel numb.
My hand feel numb up and sweaty and them something there, so I just have to let go.
Alright, do you think going? What you care and go?
I just let go.
So
my hand
if
sweaty
your hand
and
feel sweaty, I gotta throw a whole hand too long, you see me? Yeah,
So be. You say you buy me a burger before we go to shopping.
what you mean? Anything for you, come in.
So,
No.
alright. Same way, baby.
So
I go
what's
stay out here, so.
Take me.
I go in, go buy the burger.
So that's where we are going.
Remember say I have sinus, you know, babes, and the AC, and it's so too loud for your sinus.
So what else me are going to eat for my burger?
Well, anything, just give me money, I'm go buy the burger.
I don't want no burger still. You joke me and let me eat some food a while ago.
So now that for so long time,
What do you think, man? My days.
they are all up long talking.
Like this a girl here sitting and hide, you know. But anything she hide, man, you find out, man. Watch and see. Left me out at door, you saw and buy burger. Alright. Alright, man. get one night challenge. Take out it. You take out it, man. So I'm not push nothing at that.
So, what you saying? I can fold this tonight?
You know what I mean? Fully and cute something on my hand too. I tell you.
Okay.
Joke night.
Come on then.
How this you call me the entire time? Yo, I pray. How this you call me on private number, dog?
You know, sir, it's a general down on the free or something. I look one leather for buy. You know, no leather.
You can't call me on any number, ya dog. If you come on private, you call me my youth. Your number to show my youth for me know what my lifestyle alone for private here.
Yeah, man, I understand them way, I'm a general, man, but it's a general give me a number, you know, and he must say, boy, if you link, you give her one link, more and some bag of cement, but, you know, it's a leather, I really are looking at night still, you know. You know, no leather.
We have everything, man. We have cement, we have leather in all different size, man. We have leather from 5 feet go up.
Alright, yeah, me I say now. How much 1 and 5 feet leather them?
The 5 feet leather, them have to lick up picnic leather them there, you know. You sound like you're a big man, you're not going on 5 feet leather, man. You want one leather from 15 feet go up. You're a big man, you sound like a big man, you see me?
No, man, a construction a daily, you know. Someone one of them leather them in general.
Yeah, man, I may tell you say 5 feet one day, you not go work for you. Then one day, we have them the leather, if you want some liquor youth, link with them leather, they are them leather, they will give them, you see me?
Alright, how much is the big leather them in general? Because you want some work we are dealing with on the scheme, I want 2 leather.
Alright, a leather they go cost you about 5 grand, you see me?
5 grand, my general.
Yeah, man, they say there a lot to use build them in and was a lot there, is it?
Alright, yeah, man. You know which part some business scheme there.
What you mean, man? I know everywhere about the place, man. I run the whole scheme, everybody will be below us as they all start and me then link straight till it done.
Alright, yeah, man, so now. You know which part Gary live over some business scheme.
I tell you, say, I know the whole place, my G.
Alright, with the right a Gary yard there, so just pull up in a yard with one eye leather them, my G.
Alright, just come in the dark, you see me?
No problem, because we know a code, you know.
Yeah, you link in the dark.
Code life.
Alright, no joke. Where this man here dey? General! Parry! Father! Yo! Yo! Parry! Yo, my G!
Hold on, see me, man.
I'm a favor, boss. So.
See me, man.
Boss, what you do here, so?
Boss, what me I do here, so? What you want to do here, so?
I borrow me a barrel leather, take a one use off.
What you mean you borrow leather to go take a one use off?
Over my friend deal, me I go help him just sitting up on the tank, you see me?
You know long one catch you?
I know me, bossy.
You feel like me never know, say? Are you thief on my watch?
A bowler, bossy.
Bowler?